In this video, I will show you how to play Legends of Mushroom on PC. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So if you have been looking for a way to play Legends of Mushroom on PC, then you can actually do this using something called BlueStacks. BlueStacks is an Android emulator, so what that means, it enables you to play Android games on your PC or Mac, and one of the games available through BlueStacks is Legend of Mushroom. Now what I will do is leave a link to this in the video description down below. So if you actually go below this video and click on the link in the video description, you'll be taken to a web page like this. On here you can see a blue button which says Play Legends of Mushroom on PC. So what you want to do first is give that a click, and what this is going to do is download the BlueStacks installer onto your PC. So once that's downloaded, just click onto it to run the installer, and then what you want to do is run through the steps to install BlueStacks on your PC. Now, once that's done, you can click the button to launch. So I'm just going to go back to my desktop. So here we are back on my desktop. As you can see, I've now gone ahead and launched BlueStacks, now fully installed. Now, once you've done that, you'll be taken to a screen like this, and you're going to see a button which says Install from Google Play. So what you want to do is give that a click. And once you've done that, what it's going to do, if you've not used BlueStacks before, it's going to ask you to log in with your Google account. So this is really good because when you actually log in with your Google account, of course, say for example, you're playing Legends of Mushroom and you leave your PC and you want to continue playing on your mobile device, because you've logged in, your progress is going to be saved across the devices. So if you do switch to your mobile and continue playing Legends of Mushroom, you can continue where you left off. So once you've done that and you logged in, you'll be taken to this page. All you need to do now is click the blue install button, and that's going to start downloading and installing Legends of Mushroom. So at this point you might be wondering, well, why would I want to use BlueStacks to play Legends of Mushroom? Well, if we actually take a look at the BlueStacks website, there's a number of advantages and features of using BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC. Now for starters, the game controls. So for example, if you don't really get on with touchscreens, you can use your keyboard and mouse to actually control the game. But in addition to that, there's a ton of different features of using BlueStacks to play Android games. For example, multi-instance, where you can play multiple games simultaneously, as well as the option for macros, where you can actually record and replay actions with a single key press. Now there is also an eco mode, so you can actually optimize PC usage when using multiple instances of BlueStacks or other applications and programs. And there's also a real-time translation feature, which is really good if you've got games which are exclusive to other countries. But if you want to play them and of course translate them to your language, BlueStacks does have the ability to do that. In addition to this, naturally you're going to get a high FPS, so you're going to be able to enable higher frame rates for a much smoother gameplay experience, as well as play Android games in full HD. So there's a number of reasons why you would want to consider using BlueStacks to start playing Android games on your PC. So as you can now see, Legend of Mushroom has finished installing, so all we need to do now is click the blue play button, and it's going to launch Legend of Mushroom on BlueStacks. So as you can see, it's just loading through now, so it might just take a minute or two when you initially launch this, as it's going to have to update and things like that. As you can now see, we're now in the Legends of Mushroom. It's now finished loading through, and as you can see, it's working very, very well. It's very smooth. There's no sort of lag or anything. We can just start playing using our mouse, like so. You can just click around just like this. It's really, really easy to use. Now, if you actually come to this menu on the right hand side as well, you can see this little keyboard icon. If you give this a click, you can change your controls in here, but also there's the option to, for example, take pictures. So you can take a screenshot by clicking this button here, and videos, and there's just a ton of different things you can do with this menu as well. So that is how to play Legends of Mushroom on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.